Everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to add a trend line in Excel. So without wasting time, let's dive into it. This is our video number 30. If you haven't watched from first, this is for beginner view. So let's dive into it. You can see here my month and sales data, and here I want to add a trend line. So what I do is, first I will create a chart. So I'll select the range and then insert, and then you will see here recommended chart. So I will click here, and for now I will choose this clustered column and hit OK. So this is my and I'll drag it here, and the size will be small, so I can resize it. You can do by just coming to the corner and resize. And for now here I want to add a trend line. So what I do, I will select this, and you will see here plus sign, chart elements. I will click here, and then you will see here at last trend line, and in trend line there is one arrow. If you go here and select it, I will come here and show you. You will see here 5 trend lines. So which you want, linear, exponential, or which one? So for now I will go only to linear. I will go to this linear. I'll remove this and hit 1 only, this linear. And if I want to format this linear blue trend line, I will click here and then format trend line, and here I will see the which trend line option I want to use. And then if I want to change the color of that trend line, I'll go to this fill in line, and here I'll change the color for red or any color you want. So here you can see I have inserted a trend line, and if I don't want to show this line, then I will go select here. I'll select this all the rows, and you will see all the rows are selected, and I will simple delete. After deleting, it is looking better. So this is a quick video that you can apply in your data and make a good chart with the trend line. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates, and I will see you in the next video.